Hello, guys, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix in the newspaper of Wednesday, the daily newspaper of Wednesday, November the 9th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Two of them I've already solved, the binary and medium Sudoku, and now it's time for the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Four of them, 4 out of 7. Yeah, there are 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tonight in the evening, and yeah, otherwise it will be too much for me today to solve all the puzzles. So only 4 of them. And what's the news of today? Well, today the news, war day number 259. 259 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Yes, but we still solve the Sudokus, the puzzles. Sudoku mix, this will be number 5453. 5453. And we have here 4 given numbers: the 8, the 4, the 2, and the 6. The 8 in the box of 11, that means that the combination here will be 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Here, the given number 4 in the box of 9, the combination here will be 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here in the box of 6, we have a given number with 2. That means that the combination here will be 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And we have a 6 in the triple box of 21. That means that those two boxes together should be 15. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. Alright, for a Killer Sudoku, I need, that's my time limit, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 20 to 30 minutes. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars. Okay. But I need 20 to 30 minutes for a Killer Sudoku. Okay. My first strategy is to look for big squares. We have 9 big squares with only 1 sharing box. This big square has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. So we have 2 big squares with 1 sharing box. Okay, what you also need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay, so this one, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be, because, yeah, let me show you. 9 plus 11 is 20, 20 plus 13 is 33. So 45 minus 33 is 12. So those two boxes together should be 12. That means in this triple box of 18, these two boxes 12, that means that 18 minus 12 is 6. Okay, now I have a big square with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 18 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Here we have still 3 sharing boxes. Okay, this big square with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 6 is 12, plus 10 is 22. 22 plus 17 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is 6. In the box of 15, the combination will be 6 plus 9. Alright. then it will be difficult. We have sharing boxes with more than one. We have big squares with more than one sharing box. How about the columns? Here we have 2. Here we have 1, 2. Will be difficult. Will be difficult. Okay, rows. Well, next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 17. Only one combination, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Here, the box of 4. Only one combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Okay, let me scan. Here. Box of 16, 9 plus 7, only one combination, 9 plus 7, okay. 17. All right. Then let me look. Here we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12. Otherwise, I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So the 6 should be in the box of 8. The combination will be 6 plus 2. Let me mark those. Okay. 2. Okay. Well, we have a triple box of 7. There's only one combination for the triple box of 7. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Well, we have a 2 here in this row, no 2 there. And we have a 4 there in this big square, so no 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. But we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So here can be a 2. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. So 1 digit left in this triple box for the number 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay. So now we have a big square with one sharing box. If I count only these numbers, I know what number this will be. So 12 plus, 4 plus 8 is 12 again. So double 12, 24 plus 4 is 28 plus 9 is 37. 37, that means 45 minus 37 is an 8. In the box of 11, the combination will be 8 plus 3. Now we have a big square with one sharing box. But what are these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and a 7. 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Okay. Alright. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 22 plus 9 is 31. 1, 2, 3, 6. So 31 plus 6 is 37. 37. That means 45 minus 37 is an 8. In the box of 9, the combination will be 8 plus 1. Alright. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 9 is missing. Well, we have a 9 in this column. No 9 there, so 9 should be here. The 7 is missing. And 6 is missing. Well, here we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So the 9 and 7 should be there. So one that you left should be the 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. In this triple box of 9, that box should be 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Okay. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be 6. Alright. Now, if I count all these numbers, I know what number these 2 boxes together. Then I know what number this will be. Okay. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 23 is 33. So 45 minus 33 is 12. So these 2 boxes together should be 12. In this triple box of 18, that number should be 18 minus 12 is 6. Okay. If I count all these numbers now, I will know what number this will be. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 4, 11. 13 plus 11 is 20. No. Again, 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 11 is 24. 24 plus 16 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 14, the combination here will be 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Now, I have a big square with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 12 is 24. 24 plus 9 is 33. 33 plus 6 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. In the box of 9, the combination will be 6 plus a 5. No. 6 plus 3. Correction, this is a 3. Almost made a mistake. Well. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. And I cannot place the 5 here because those two boxes together should be 15. Otherwise, the other digit should be 10. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. So 10 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is the number 9. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. Otherwise, I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So the 5 should be in the box of 9. The combination will be 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7. Okay. Then, let me see, 9 and a 1. Then, 3 and a 1, we have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be and a 3 goes there. Okay, 9 and a 7. Another triple box of 7. So these numbers should be 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. We have a 1 here. No 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 2 there. In this row, no 2. Oh, 3. I've overlooked this 3. We have a 3 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier, 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in the second row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those two boxes in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be in the box of 6. The combination will be 2 plus 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. And now. The 1 is missing. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 in one of those two boxes because those two boxes together should be 15. Otherwise, the other number should be 14. 14 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 should be in a box of 10. We have a 1 now in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the combination here in the box of 10 should be 1 plus 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be in a box of 12. Combination will be 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Okay, so what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. correct. 138, 138. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this row. So the 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, so 1 is left in this big square for number 8. Okay, so 2 numbers are left in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18 in this triple box of 18. Alright, now. We have in this big square the box of 9 and the box of 5 left. The box of 5, there are two combinations for the box of 5. 4 plus 1 or 2 plus 3. Well, the 4 is already used in this big square, so the only combination will be 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here in the middle row. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and an 8 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the first column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Okay. 5, 5. We have a 1 in this column. 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. You see here 1 in the third row. No 1 there. Here 1 in the second row. No 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5 in this column, first column. 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this third row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. In this triple box of 13, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Now we have a 7 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Here I need a 7, okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be in one of those two boxes. And these two boxes together should be 12 together. So the combination will be 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. So 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 9 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. In the box of 11, the combination will be then 9 plus 2, alright. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in the first row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23. 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the second row. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We have an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. So the 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. In the box of 9, the combination will be 6 plus 3. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 9 and 8, we have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.